Witness, Your Honor, produced for my inspection, it's CBIT YY, YY-1, YY-2, and YY-3. Is this the very title, Mr. Witness, that is in the name of Carla Constantino? This is a cancelled title as it appears here.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a cancelled title in the name of Mela Melad Bahar, married to Beneroso E. Bahar, sir.
Why was it cancelled, Mr. Witness?
There is an annotation on the face of the title, Your Honor. It is stamp marked cancelled. The reason for the cancellation, Your Honor, of this title is the registration of a sale. This is entered under primary entry number 8708 TZS 125683 sale.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. And by reason of this inscription, evidencing sale of the property covered by this transfer certificate of title, Exhibit YY series, there was a new title issued, Mr. Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have a copy of that new title?
Your Honor, I have with me the original copy of transfer certificate of title number N-327732, registered in the name of Constantino T. Castillo III, married to Maria Carla C. Castillo, Your Honor.
I am showing to you what has been marked as Exhibit BB, triple B, up to triple B-2 for the prosecution. May I invite you to look at the dorsal portion, the second. Yeah, under the memorandum of encumbrances, Mr. Witness. And focus your attention, invite your attention to the stamp entry here. Can you read that for the record?
Your Honor, on the second page of this title, there is entry number 2504 T-327732 mortgage in favor of Bank of Philippine Islands to guarantee a principal obligation in the sum of 12 million pesos. Mortgage's consent necessary in case of subsequent encumbrance or alienation of the property. Other conditions set forth in document number 461, book number 106, page number 301, Notary Public of Quezon City, Delphine R. Agawili. Date of instrument 5/15/09, date of inscription 5/19/09, signed Carlo V. Alcantara, Deputy Register of Deeds of Quezon City, sir.
This document, Your Honor, we would request to be marked as our Exhibit 50, consisting of 3 pages. And that particular inscription read for the record by the witness, Your Honor, in the dorsal portion, entitled or described as Real Estate Mortgage, with the signature of the witness above it, printed name Carlo B. Alcantara, be encircled and submarked as our Exhibit 50-A.
Is that an encumbrance on the title of Constantino Castillo III?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
We will go to another point, Your Honor. Yes.
Proceed.
You recall having testified to about the Burgundy unit in the name of Renato Corona and Christina Corona, Sir Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have the certificate of authority or authorization to register? You have identified that, if I recall correctly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have it? Ano po? Anong nasa? Yung CAR.
Yes, Your Honor. I have with me the original of the certificate authorizing registration, Your Honor.
Is this exhibit quadruple Q? May I invite your attention, Mr. Good Counsel, Attorney Staniano. Quadruple Q. Pareho ba? Okay. I think we have the same, although what I have is a certified true copy, Mr. Witness. Can you just go in Section A, description of real property?
Yes, sir.
And there is reference there under the column market zonal value of an amount, as well as the column selling price. Can you read the market zonal value as entered there for the record?
The market zonal value is 1,567,500 pesos, sir. The selling price, Your Honor, is 2,508,000, sir.
Your Honor, we would like to request that this certificate authorizing registration, exhibit quadruple Q for the prosecution, identified by the witness, be marked as our Exhibit 51, and the entries read be bought encircled under market zonal value and selling price, and submarked as our Exhibit 51-A.
Mark all the documents accordingly as requested by the defense. Including the previous ones, because the chair missed to give a direction with respect to the market.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do you recall having testified, Mr. Witness, relative to a parcel of land located in what is known as Ayala Heights subdivision in the year 2010 for 8 million pesos?
Yes, sir.
Do you have also the certificate authorizing registration for this property? Triple item. Witness is examining his records. Did you find it? Para mapadali. Para mapadali mo, bilis. Hindi. Hindi. Ito. Oo. Did you find it?
Yes, sir.
And for the record, Your Honor, the copy with the clerk of court of this impeachment court is exhibit, previously marked as exhibit III or triple I. May I invite again your attention to section A of this particular document, Mr. Witness, and go to the column market zonal value. It states there 13. Can you read it for the record? I'm sorry.
Sir, the market/zonal value is 13,800,000 pesos. The selling price, Your Honor, is 8 million pesos, sir.
Thank you. Would this document show who the buyer or purchaser of this lot is?
Sir, indicated on the car as the buyer is Amelia E. Rivera et al., sir.
Thank you. Your Honor, we would request that this exhibit III or triple I for the prosecution, a document just identified once more by the witness, be marked as our exhibit 52, and the entries under market zonal value and selling price of 8 million pesos be encircled and submarked as our exhibit 52-A.
Mark it accordingly.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll go to another point.
Mark the document accordingly.
There was another property, this time located in La Vista subdivision, also in Quezon City. Mr. Witness, that you, the documents of which you have identified, would you have also the certificate authorizing registration insofar as this property is concerned? Nope. The clerk of court handed to this representation, Your Honor, a certificate authorizing registration, exhibit WW for the prosecution. Did you find it, Mr. Witness?
Yes, sir.
May I invite once more your attention to Section A, description of real properties, particularly under the columns market value, zonal value, and selling price. Can you read for the record the entries under these columns, Mr. Witness?
The zonal value, sir, is 21,600,000 pesos. The selling price, Your Honor, is 18 million pesos, sir.
We will request that this document, Your Honor, Exhibit WW, be also marked as our Exhibit 53, and the entries under those pertinent columns that the witness just read be encircled and submarked as our Exhibit 53-A.
Mark the document accordingly.
Two other properties in Quezon City, according to you, Mr. Witness, and you correct me if I'm wrong, were also registered in the name of one Renato Corona and Christina Corona. May I ask you if you have the titles with you covering these properties located in Xavierville subdivision?